Hello guys, Crypto. Good news guys. As you know, especially guys in the Discord, I've been doing some updates to my indicator, the Crypto Ultimate package. And I'm pleased to say the buy and sell signals are here. So we can use that. I'm gonna show you, if you do have the indicator currently, it might look quite messy, but what I'm basically gonna show you everything. So there is two ways that you can use the indicator now. Okay, so when you load it in, it will basically look like this. You will see plenty of moving averages, buy sell signals. There's gonna be a proper mess. Okay, so the old way to use my indicator, which still works, okay, is when you switch off, if you go to settings, you want to switch off the bar color, you want to switch off the ATR, switch off the ATR trailing stop loss, switch off the buy and sell signals. Okay, so this is the indicator that you did use before. You have the sell crypto moving average, you've got 200 moving average, 20, 50, and EMA 9. So you have all those right here. Okay, the new option is for especially the leverage traders. Okay, so again, just go to settings, switch everything off. Okay, this is what you're after, and the one I want you to switch on is the bar color, is the ATR trailing stop loss, buy and sell. Okay, you still have the moving averages here, but for now we're just gonna leave them. Okay, so what it does basically now, this line is the ITR, so that's the one that we just switched on. Okay, and the way it works is very similar to the previous concept. Basically, when the chart breaks below it, that's when it's gonna signal a sell signal, so that's gonna be a short. Okay, and you will see this line will change the color to red. Same the other way, if we break above it, we're gonna get the buy signal and the line is gonna turn green, and as long as it's gonna stay green, that's basically your long position. Okay, so the way it works, you have it on all time frames. Okay, obviously sometimes there's gonna be a false signals, you cannot have it 100%. Okay, but let's just switch to 1 hour chart. Okay, and whenever you get a buy signal, okay, so let's take this one for example. This candle closes and we do have a buy signal. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna enter on the next candle, set a stop loss just below this previous candle, okay, the one that says buy, and just basically stay in the trade as long as you've got the green candles. Okay, so this is the red one. So I mean, I'll probably just wait longer. If I sell here, I'll probably just exit the trade here on this candle, but let's just, for the argument's sake, just stay with the candles. Okay, so this is the first candle that flashed, so we just exit on the next one. Okay, it says sell, so this is where we exit the long trade. Let's just see, that was 7 point, well, let's just say here somewhere, right? 7.5% move. Okay, the stop loss below this candle, let's just see in terms of the percentage, 2.5, almost 2.5%. So basically 1 to 3 ratio, which is ideal. This is what we're looking for. Okay, another example, I mean, with the shorts, especially in the uptrend, it's quite tricky because usually the sell, like whenever you have the uptrend, let me just quickly show you. So this is the uptrend, lower highs, higher lows, lower highs, higher lows. Whenever you get the sell signal, that's probably just gonna be the correct corrective move, okay? So it's gonna be just this move to the downside. You don't really want to short in the uptrend. Whenever you have the uptrend, okay, what you want to do is you want to long, okay? And it's same the other way, okay? If you do have a downtrend, so you have a lower lows, lower highs, you want to short, you don't want to long this move, because if you long this move, you're just gonna long these tiny little moves here, okay? This is what you want to long. So when you have a downtrend, you just focus on entering the short on the high and just follow the trend until the trend breaks. That's where you leave. So this is basically the same concept, okay? We just trying to short whenever we're in the downtrend and long whenever we're in the uptrend. So like this move right here, obviously this is the uptrend, as you can see. So like I said, if you would enter right here, let's just try again. For the argument's sake, obviously I'm still testing this, but we do have the buy signal right here, so we do enter on the next one, on the next candle, because you just can't enter, okay, on the same candle. So right here you probably get stopped. So it's a matter of like adjusting the stop loss. I mean, I usually try, like if I'm trying to catch the longer move, I'm trying to let this the stop loss to have some breathing room, okay? So I do allow it to drop lower, but basically what it is like, if you enter here, you'll probably just exit on this candle, so you would still basically you would still close it in profit, because as you can see, you entered right here, you just follow the candles. This is the red one. When it flashed, it broke below this ATR line, so this is probably where you just exit the trade. Let's try on the next one for the argument's sake. Where's another like an uptrend right here? I mean, it's not really fair taking this whole move, because obviously it's gonna look super cool. So let's try it somewhere here, okay? Because this is the uptrend. You would enter right here on this buy signal position. So you do enter on the next one. The stop loss below the previous candle, so below this candle, okay? And this is where you exit, because this is where it flashes. I mean, it's tricky, right? Because obviously, like, nothing is perfect. You could like enter right here. I mean, this candle really signals you that basically there's a lot of sell pressure right here. So I would probably just take some profit on this candle. But if you do want to follow, like if you're completely clueless, if you really want to like use the candles, use the colors, okay, without any like TA background, and you just follow as they show you, you would still end up in profit, because you would just exit on this candle, so you still end up in profit, okay? So this is the whole concept. Like I said, just guys remember, okay, it's very important. You don't want to short in the uptrend, and you don't want to long in the downtrend, okay? But yeah, back to the settings. So you click on the settings. So if you want to have this setup, again, you need to have the bar color. I mean, you can just switch it off, but it makes your life easy, okay? So the bar color is on, the ATR is on, ATR trailing stop loss is on, the buy and the sell signal. You can mix it a little bit, you know, and you can add, for example, a 9 moving exponential moving average, or you might add the 200 or 50 or 20. It really depends. You don't want to have too much mess, because you want to still see the price action, but the moving averages help a lot. So you might pick and choose, you know, you might switch them on and off. You don't need to pay for the paid trading view. You can use this indicator with your free trading view, okay? And also, like I said, it includes all the moving averages. So with the I think with a free trading view, you have a limit of having like, you can only have like 2 or 3 indicators. So you have all those indicators as a one indicator, so it doesn't clog up your space if you on the free version. But yeah, so this is the one way to use it. This is the new update, the new thing that I've added to the crypto package. The old one, if you want to use just the old one, what you can do is click on the crypto fair value border. Okay, you can switch on all the EMAs, the moving averages, and basically this is the previous version. This is the previous one that you had before without any updates. If you want, you can add the buy and sell signal to this and use that if you don't like the new update, or like I said, if you want to use the new one, what you do is again click on the bar color, ATR, buy, sell, and then you can custom with the moving averages. Guys, that's it. Let me know in the comments if you do like it. This indicator is free if you are VIP in our Discord, but if you want to try it on for 14 days completely free, in the video description there's gonna be a link to my Discord. Join, say hi in the general chat, tag me SirCrypto, ask to have a 14-day trial, and I will gladly let you use it. You can have a look by yourself. If you make any money with it, who knows, you might buy a VIP. I will give you this indicator absolutely free then. But yeah, it's really up to you. For those that are already in Discord, it's probably gonna be most of you. I don't think anyone else is gonna watch this video. Guys, let me know if you do like this new update, because it really took me a lot of time, a lot of experimenting to to make it work. Obviously do test it on different time frames, and yeah, also this indicator, what happened right here? Oh, okay. Also, this indicator works on stocks as well. I mean, I can quickly show you. Let's go for Tesla. Like if you bought Tesla right here, or if you would enter long on Tesla, on the next candle, stop below. I mean, look how far you got. That's if we say you enter on the second candle, and until the red one shows, that's a 20% move without any leverage, guys, on the daily time frame. That's if you go 5x, that's basically 100% move. So yeah, you can make a lot of money with it. Yeah, like I said, guys, let me know if you do like a new update. I'm really waiting for a feedback, guys. If you find some issues, obviously, like I said, there's gonna be some false signals. This is crypto, like this market moves quite a lot. Like one Trump tweet might like basically nuke the whole chart. So there's gonna be definitely some false signals. But if you're gonna follow those rules I said before, long in the uptrend, short in the downtrend. Okay, don't long in the downtrend and don't short in the uptrend. Okay, very important, guys. Yeah, I'm really sorry, I'm waffling, but yeah, I really want to hear your thoughts, and yeah, guys, please let me know and join the Discord. Okay, it's completely free. Right, until the next one, guys. Cheers, bye.